Math class. Math shortcuts for real estate investors and business owners. Are you controlling Mr. Gorgeous? Haven't done that in a while. Don't get the other side. So my skin stuff acting up, you guys. This has been a request we've had for multiple people have asked about this class. How to do math shortcuts, how to do math in your head, how to do it really fast. So we're going to do this live, and we've got a class here. We've got people following along. So this is math class 1. How to multiply any two-digit number by 11. Is this on the same screen? Are we still seeing this? Yeah. All right. Any number by 11. Spread love everywhere you go. Let no one ever come to you without leaving happier. Was that just, all right, just putting that in there, keeping it. All right. All right. So let's do single digits. So what's 5 times 11? For example, we've done this before. Everyone knows this. All right. That's 5. 55, right? What is 7 times 11? That's 77. It's very easy to do that. You just take the number that you have, and then it's to that number. So any single digit number will be that. 9 times 11 is 99, right? But it gets a little more tricky when we get into double digits. So what is 51 times 11? So here's a quick way of doing that. First, we take 5 plus 1, which is 6, and we put that number in between. So 561. That's it, right? So if we take what's 72 times 11, 7 plus 2 is what? Yeah, I'm asking you. Right, 9, right? 7 plus 2 is 9, right? So add that 9 in the middle of the 72, right? So what about 60? What do we? Well, I gotta keep it careful. We'll get to the carrying in a second. All right, so 63 is what? What's 6 plus 3? 9, right? So 693. Easy, right? That's all it's gonna be. Any two-digit number by 11. That's how we do it. So what about double digits with leftovers? So for example, what if it's 74, right? The answer is not gonna be 7 plus 4 is 11. So we don't put 11 between that. That would not be the answer, right? Instead, anytime we have a number that carries over, you guys see all that? Anytime a number carries over here, right? Anytime that number is like 11, any two-digit number, this first digit it's only going to be a 1. That's the highest it could be, right? But what we're going to do is just add that to the 7. So 7 becomes an 8, and then we continue on normally. 814, right? So that 74 times 11 is 814. We do the same thing, except we just add the number up. So what if it's 85? What's 85 times 11? 8 plus 5 is going to be more than 1, or it's going to be a double-digit number. So immediately we know the answer is going to be 900 something, right? So 8 plus 5 is what? 8 plus 2 plus 3, right? 8 plus 2 plus 3 is how we want to look at that. 835 or 935, right? So what about 98 times 11? What's 9 plus 8? It's 9 plus 1 plus 7. Very good. Good job. 98. Should be looking at the camera too. 98. So what's 98 times 11? 9 plus 8 is what? 17. So it's 10, 7, 8, right? 1078. So any two-digit number we can do this with right now, right? So it's like a 38. What's 38? That's going to be 400 something, right? Because we have 3 plus 8 is 11. So we're going to go 4, 1, 8. It's as simple as that, right? Everyone got that? So that's how we multiply any two-digit number by 11. Let's do some examples here. 96. We'll do these together, but first, just see if you can figure them out. 87 times 11 and 67 times 11. We'll do 68 because we already did that. All right, everyone got this? Right. We're not allowed to use you can write it out, but only if you don't use a calculator. But you should be able to do this in your head very quickly. What's 96 times 11? 9 plus 6 is 9 plus 1 plus 5, right? That's how we break that down. We'll talk more about that later. 9 plus 1 plus 5, so it's 15. So 9, 5, 6, right? What's 8 plus 7? 8 plus 7 is 8 plus 2 plus 5, right? So 15. So it's 8, 5, 7. Oh, I'm sorry. Wow, I screwed that up. That's 10. Sorry, right? Because we add the number. This is going to be 9. I'm screwing up myself. Because anytime we have a number, we just go, we add a number. So 68 is going to be 7. What's 6 plus 8? It's 8 plus 2 plus 4, right? 4, 8. 748. Everyone's got that? That's how we add this. When are you going to use this stuff? How will you actually use this? First, it is not useless just to have it as a confidence builder. That can help. This also helps. One of the first things we have when people say, oh, I'm not good at math, I'm terrible at math, we have them do this because in seconds they can learn a skill like, oh wow, I can multiply any number by 11 really quickly, easily, and in my head. It's very easy to do. So share and use this tool. And also it helps with monthly payments, by the way. If you want to know how much something's going to be that you're paying every month, for example, let's say your car payment is $72 a month or $96 a month. That's going to be $10,000 or $1,000 or $960 a month. That's going to be $10,056 plus one extra payment. So we're going to talk about how to add that one to it, but it's a very quick way of finding out almost exactly what that monthly payment would be. Take any payment and you can multiply it by 11 real quick. So that helps well. All right. Thank you so much, guys. Hopefully that helps. BigRia.com. Go there now. Do it now.
I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show